Welcome to the Hearing and Safety Institute, where we believe hearing safety is vital to survival in the construction industry. In the next couple of minutes, we will discuss what problems exist when not using your personal protection equipment in the construction zone. Now put on your hearing protection and follow me so you can experience firsthand what could happen when you don't put on your hearing protection in a construction zone. Follow me. The scene you're about to watch is an example of temporary hearing loss.
Hey, Amy.
Hi, Jabber.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. About to start.
Hey, where's your PPE?
I don't need PPE. I've been doing this for 20 years. I got this.
At least wear some earplugs.
No. Don't worry about it. I got this, okay?
Jabber, we're going out to eat. Are you gonna come? Jabber,
What?
we're going out to eat right now.
What? What about my feet?
We're going out to eat right now after work.
Eat tomorrow? Okay. See you later.
Wait!
Action!
Jabber! Jabber, wait! Wait! Tell them to wear protection.
Temporary hearing loss can be caused by tools like jackhammers, loud trucks, or even loud machinery. As you just saw in this last scene, temporary hearing loss is not to be taken lightly. Anyone on a construction site can be subject to temporary hearing loss. For example, inspectors, delivery personnel, and yes, even visitors like you. So please, keep your hearing protection on at all times while on this tour. The next video you're about to witness will simply put you in the middle of a situation where a worker is exposed to potential permanent hearing loss. Please wear your hearing protection for this demonstration.
You have your hearing protection?
No, I don't need it.
Are you alright?
Huh? Huh?
That demonstration was intense. Let's just hope Steve's doing okay. We'll check on him later. Now let's see what can cause permanent hearing loss. Long-term exposure to noise like heavy machinery, and short-term exposure to loud noise like the demonstration we were just in. Now the question becomes, what are the symptoms? Warning signals become unclear. You start reading people's lips, and you can have a hard time listening to people that are over the phone or that are right next to you. For the next part of our tour, we will take an in-depth view of the ear and what happens inside when hearing loss is experienced. This video was developed in the laboratory of the Hearing and Safety Institute. No hearing protection is required for this demonstration. A sensory neural hearing loss is the result of a problem in the inner ear. Sensory neural hearing loss occurs only when the hair cells in the cochlea are missing or damaged. These hair cells are responsible for producing precise electrical signals that the brain needs in order to interpret sound. When these hair cells are missing, the result is hearing impairment. When only some of the hair cells are damaged or missing, the hearing loss is classified as mild to moderate. In these cases, a middle ear implant capable of vibrating and moving structures of the inner ear or a conventional hearing aid may be a viable solution. Some individuals have a hearing loss only with high frequencies, also referred to as partial deafness. In these cases, only the hair cells at the base of the cochlea are damaged. In the inner part of the cochlea, the apex, the hair cells which are responsible for processing the low tones are still intact. Combined electric and acoustic stimulation, or EAS, was developed specifically for these individuals to maximize their use of natural residual hearing. When the hair cells of the cochlea are completely absent or damaged, the person suffers from a severe to profound hearing loss. For many individuals with this condition, a cochlear implant may be the best solution. Music is good for the soul. At least that's what Jabber thinks. In our next demonstration, we will see why music and construction will not dance together. Please be advised, the nature of this demonstration is graphic.
Jabber, watch out! What? Jabber, watch out! Oh my God, Jabber! Do you need help? Do you need help, Jabber? Oh my God! Somebody get help!
Poor Jabber. I hope he's alright. This situation could have easily been prevented if he didn't have his iPod on. Please, don't wear iPod, MP3, or any music device that will keep you from hearing the environment around you. It could be a danger to you and to others. Be smart. Take it off. Besides hearing problems, there can be other health problems that could arise from being in a construction zone without hearing protection. Let's take a look. No hearing protection is required for this demonstration.
So, I believe that with this electrical system, it would work better in this region over here. What do you think?
Yeah, I agree. What do you think, Steve?
Hey,
Focus.
hey, we have to focus because if we don't get this in on time, we're gonna lose our jobs. We have a deadline to meet.
What's wrong with you?
Hey, are you okay? What's going on, man? Steve, is he good? What? Hey, help him out! Help him out! Help him out! Someone needs to call 911. Call 911. Shit.
Poor Steve. It seems he didn't make it. But that's what happens when you don't wear hearing protection. After a while, your coordination and concentration decreases. You have sleeping problems, and your stress increases, which could lead to a heart attack, which is what happened to our good old friend Steve. Welcome back to the Hearing Safety Laboratory, where we're going to discuss methods of noise control that can be implemented in a construction site. For that, we're going to talk to a specialist down in New York City. Her name is Amy Chavez. Hey, how are you doing? Thank you for taking my call.
Hello, Steve. It is a pleasure to be here discussing this very important topic with you.
This is a very important topic, so you know what? I'm just going to have you take it away.
Sure. Well, there are many ways to reduce noise in a construction site for the hearing safety for all the employees in a construction site. You can have quieter equipment, make sure that your equipment has its maintenance done on all, and lubricate, replace worn-out parts, and you can also reduce the speed of the machinery or tools used. Another tool you can use is a noise dosimeter, which is a specifically sound level meter intended specifically to measure the noise exposure of a person integrated over a period of time. But the most important tool a construction worker in a construction site can use are those precious earplugs.
You made a good point, Amy. Those precious earplugs are very important. A lot of construction workers don't think so. You have now come to the end of our hearing safety tour. We at the Hearing Safety Institute want to thank you for taking this tour and hope to hear from you soon. For more information, you can visit us at the web at www.canyouhearme.com or in Spanish at www.meescuchas.com. Thank you.